So, we welcome you all for today's session on engineering importance and its different disciplines in undergraduation level. Today, we are going to see about the basic importance of engineering courses and the opportunities present in engineering domain. So, this topic I'm going to present for the present school students who are yet to take up the plus two examination this year. So this is my proposed agenda for the presentation, which I am planned to do today. Before moving to the session, let us have the purpose or objectives of the session in brief. So these are the different listed objectives in connection to the today's session topic. Let us go one by one. The first thing, today's younger generation must know the basic essence of engineering and its various challenges in different sectors like information technology, civil, mechanical, etc. And next thing, to analyze the merits of various branches available in engineering streams. And at last, we have to know the opportunity behind in each domain area. So these are the few important points listed in the session objective. Now we shall move directly to the session importance today. So first, let us begin with a simple basic definition. What do you mean by an engineering? So engineering is a basic principle that covers both mathematics fundamentals and basic science, which helps us to solve real world problems by developing new innovative products and services to the customers. By adapting different type of manufacturing process with the aid of wide range of industries and applications. So the student must have the sound knowledge on mathematical fundamentals and the basic applied science. These are the two important uh, things that are required to study engineering. Now here let us have some few the questionnaire for discussion, and then we will move on to the next consecutive information, one after the other. To start with, let us go with the first question. So where can the engineering can take you? So say if any individual who is very much interested to do engineering after school education, he or she must have strong fundamentals in the domain expertise plus very good communication skills, say soft skills. So if you have these two things, that will take you to the high demanding jobs, either in India as well as in other foreign countries. So every student must have these two skills, technical skills and the communication skills. And next question, will engineering process can be automated? Yes, definitely, of course. Only repeated jobs that can be done daily by the human. So only those particular jobs can be performed by automation. But still, human has a great deal of demand to perform high complicated jobs in future. So will engineers are needed in the future? Yes, engineers are needed in future with a lot of compatibilities to build up the problem solving skills. So I can give some example here. Today we are uh, knowing about what is artificial intelligence. See, the artificial intelligence will never take the human job. It tries to simplify the human job. 60 to 80 percentage of the core functionalities will be taken care by AI technology, and rest of the things will be done by the human beings. So each and every individual has to know what is AI and how we can able to handle the technology. Next question is, will the engineers be replaced by robots or artificial intelligence? Yes, definitely, but only a few quantum amount of jobs, say simple basic level, can be replaced. Where is engineering going in the future? So engineering is moving towards the global technology development. So every student must be proficient both in national and international level. So for this, the student must be able to improve the soft skills for business and the international level. So today's engineering has a lot of wide scope under global development. So it is up to the students' areas of interest from which they can able to equip themselves. Now let us see the various disciplines that are available in engineering course of studies. So these are some of the listed branches available in engineering domain. So the first one is computer science and engineering. So what is the role of computer engineer? So the computer engineer involved in writing coding with the help of the algorithms. So from this point of view, the students must be highly skilled enough to develop algorithms for various real-life problems, say video game development, okay, then data analyst, software developer, software testing, system administrator, etc. These are the various the core functionalities of computer science and engineering domain. The one thing is, student must be highly proficient in learning the softwares right from the first year to final year. The next one is artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is the, it is the advanced level the course in computer science and engineering today, and has got more attraction towards public in recent times. So what is the difference between computer science and artificial intelligence and machine learning? The AI ML will try to automate each and every the programming process without the intervention of the human. Whereas in conventional, the computer engineer, they used to develop the program to get the solution. But in artificial intelligence technology, the algorithms will be automatically generated by the computer itself, like a human thinking. Next one is information technology. So here, the person can be a technology expertise, network architecture. Okay. So these are the different roles played by the information technology people. So it is nothing but transferring a group of data through machines with the help of the software packages. The next one is electronics and communication engineering. So this branch involves design and development of communication device in electronics, say microprocessor, transducer, etc. for various single signal conditioning applications. So the job of electronics and communication engineering, they can play their role both in software as well as in core area. The next one is electrical and electronics engineering. So they involve in study of different electronic control systems, study of electric motors and switches. Either they can go as a design engineer or a control system engineer in core fields. Next one is one of the most evergreen and oldest branch in engineering, that is mechanical engineering. So this field covers basic introduction to automobile and various mechanisms and machineries and engines, and study of power plant equipments for energy production, and various manufacturing process like forging, casting process, and so on. So the job of mechanical engineer can be the manufacturing production engineer, design engineer, quality control engineer. The next one is civil engineering. So this involves infrastructure development, design and development of infrastructure for various building constructions. So here also civil engineers are involved in studying the material property based on the quality of the material selection. So the final proposed design and development of infrastructure can be carried out as per the material inspection. The next one is mechatronics engineering. It is one of the modern interdisciplinary branch which covers mechanical, electrical, computer science, and electronics fundamentals. Next one is robotics and automation. So that also the same thing as like mechatronics engineering. The last one is cyber security, which is a domain belong to computer science and engineering. So mostly the cyber security, the professionals will play the role of a hacker. So how to prevent the hacking related issues by making our data more privacy, by protecting from all external threats. So I have told about the different departments, the identity of various departments, and the job responsibilities available in the various field of specialization and engineering. So each and every department has got their own unique potential and weightages. So I can't say that only this particular field has got a lot of wide opportunities. Not like that. Every department has same unique weightage. It is up to the student level of interest to choose the branch according to their comfort. Next, some of the wide scope branches after 2030. So these are some of the listed out branches that are specified here. And interdisciplinary branches in engineering. Say those who want to do PhD or any kind of research studies after the engineering graduation. So they are almost welcome to do their interdisciplinary research in the following areas like mechatronics, robotics, environmental engineering, and data science. The data science is a common area which can be embedded to any branch of engineering specialization. So with this few information, I conclude that engineering means updating the skill base of the workforce by providing proper access to the learning opportunities throughout the life of the engineer. developing new approaches to engineering education that makes the better use of internet and other information technologies. So in today's scenario, so most of the engineering institutions have developed widely by following latest technology infrastructures. So students can able to gain the knowledge both virtually and also by learning through fundamental approach. They can gain a lot of practical insights in engineering discipline. So with this, I thank each and every one of you for attending this session. Before moving out from today's session, I just want to give some of the key advice to the students of today's younger generation. So before choosing any course in engineering, better consult with highly knowledgeable senior reference group with key expertise. This is very essential in today's point of time. The next one, learn soft skill as well as the technical skills during the engineering graduation times. So you must be good in language communication skills, say technical English, as well as in subject knowledge related to your field of specialization. Then focus on industry internship opportunities. Whenever time possible, during holidays, you can go for an internship opportunity. There you can able to gain lot of practical insights and challenging problems in real scenario. Then at last, try to have more number of online certification programs offered by Google, LinkedIn, etc. These are some of the things I just want to say from my own interest to present younger generation of future India. So once again, I thank each and every one of you. Thank you all.